Dear students, in the previous slide, you have seen about the friction guideways and its types and stick slip phenomenon also. Here, what you are seeing, these are the friction guideways. Here, in the friction guideways, few types are there. That is V guideways, flat guideways, dovetail type, cylindrical. In the first type, what you are saying, V or the inverted guideways, the figure what you are seeing, so that without using any balls or etc., the sliding surface takes place. The surfaces are so finished that the movement of the slide will be very smooth. Even jigs and fixtures are also not required for this. So perfect movement or location, parallel movement will be there. So these are widely used on the machine tools, especially on lathe beds. So advantage, what I said, is perfect parallel alignment will be there. Spindle axis is not affected by wear. There is closing action as the upper member settles on the lower member. Exactly the shape of the upper member sets on the lower, on which it is sliding. The diagram you can see here, gliding surfaces prevent, so that to avoid the vibration and all. This is the figure V type of guideways. Accordingly, you can see the flat and dovetail guideways. Same according to dovetail, in the sense the upper and lower slides or the members, they are shaped or so that to set perfectly one up on the other, and they are prevented or tightened by the screw so as not to avoid the vibration and all. So these are also used on the CNC machine tools, dovetail. They will be categorized depending on the load bearing capabilities. Flat guideways have better load bearing capabilities than other guideways. Suppose if the job, or say the sliding member is in the rotary or circular type, in such cases cylindrical type of guideways what you are looking can be utilized. So the here of course metal to metal contact will be there in V or flat, dovetail, etc. The metal to metal contact on the V, flat, dovetail types guideways is normally cast iron to cast iron. The cast iron may be heat treated to increase its hardness, and the surface is ground to obtain the required accuracy. So the figure what you are seeing is the cylindrical guideway. In this, the bore in the carriage housing provides support all around the guideways. These are utilized for the light loads, relatively short traverses and light loads, and they are efficient also. The disadvantage is that if the bar is longer, then a slagging may take place. Accordingly, Anti-friction linear motion guideways are also used on the CNC machine. So as compared to the friction guideways, anti-friction linear motion guideways are more say smoother or working because of the additional element as they are utilized in this type of guideways, as rollers or ball bearings. Additionally, they are utilized in the anti-friction linear motion guideways so as to reduce the wear and tear and smooth movement, friction reduction, heat generation, reduce to heat generation. The same one, the advantages little bit improved compared to friction. You can write this. So advantages as compared to friction guideways, you can see here: low frictional resistance, no stick slip, ease of assembly, high load bearing capacity as compared to friction guideways, high traverse speeds, and of course the low damping capacity is also they have. That is the main advantage of that one. Few figures you can see here: recirculating ball bushings, so that in the inner casing of the bush a cage is provided, so that in that the balls are circulated. Accordingly, even the movement also takes place, either rotary or say sliding type, so that only instead of direct contact of the moving members, there will be the balls or rollers are placed on which they slide. This is another one. Linear bearings with rollers. A number of machines use rollers to provide for a rolling motion rather than the sliding motion. The rollers are in contact with the guideways machined on the casting machine. So it is little brief about the anti-friction bearings, linear motion guideways.